Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will trace the missing number like B, D, F and till Z. So let's learn the colors name first. Grass green color, red color, brown color, yellow color, violet color, navy blue color, pink color, blue color and green color. Blue color A. A for arrow. Red color B. B for ball. Pink color C. C for cow. Grass green color D. D for dog. Yellow color E. E for elephant. Navy blue color F. F for fish. Brown color G. G for goat. G for goat. Violet color H. H for hen. Green color I. I for ink. I for ink. Blue color J. J for joker. Red color K. K for kite. Pink color L. L for lamp. Grass green color M. M for mango. Yellow color N. N for nest. Navy blue color O. O for orange. Brown color P. P for papaya. Purple color Q. Q for queen. Green color R. R for rose. Blue color S. S for snail. S for snail. Red color T. T for tomato. Pink color U. U for umbrella. Grass green color V. V for violin. Yellow color W. W for watch. Navy blue color X. X for xylophone. Brown color Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Violet color Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Well done guys. You have completed from A to Z. Red color A. A. Red color. Green color B. B. Green color. Brown color C. C. Brown color. Yellow color D. D. Yellow color. Yellow color D. Violet color E. Violet color E. E. White color. Now we will move to 1. Orange color 1. 1. Orange color. Now we will trace number 2. Number 2, green color. Number 2, green color. Now let's move to number 3. Number 3, brown color. Brown color. Number 3, yellow color. Yellow color. Number 4. Number 4, yellow color. Now I am tracing number 5 with violet color. Violet color. Number 5. Number 5. Violet color. Very good. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. Keep it up, guys. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.